bottom, number 3. So everybody point to number 1. Number 1 says, how many birds are there? Circle the correct answer. So go ahead and do that right now. Look at the birds. How many are there? Circle the correct answer. Number 2 says, put an X through the jar that holds the most. So which one of those jars holds the most? Put an X through it. The next one, we are doing some subtraction and addition. So if it has a minus sign like you see right here, you're going to subtract. If it has a plus sign, you're going to add. I want you to do these on your own right now. Push pause if you need to. All right, the next part is our story problem. So down here it says, Jeff had 6 marbles. He gave 3 to Phil. How many did he have left? So go ahead and try to fill out your thought. Are you adding or subtracting? What are the numbers you know? What's the sentence going to look like? And what is our answer? All right, if you need to pause, go ahead. Otherwise, we're going to get ready to correct. So now you can get your teacher hats on and pretend you're your own teacher to correct your sheet. The first one said, how many birds were there? If you circled 6, you are correct. There are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next one, put an X through the jar that holds the most. The most would be this one because it is the biggest jar. Good. The next one, we are going to do some addition, subtraction. So the first one says 5, and we're going to take away 3. 1, 2, 3, and the answer is 2. The next one is 7 plus 2. So I'm going to start at 7, count 2 more, 8, 9. Good. Next one, 6 minus 5. So here's 6 fingers. I'm going to take away a whole hand, which has 5 fingers, and I have 1 left. The next one is 5 plus 2. So start at 5, count 2 more, 6, 7. Your answer is 7. The next one is 10 minus 5. So 10, I'm going to take away 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 left. And the last one is 4 plus 3. So I'm starting at 4, our bigger number, and I'm counting up 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. So our answer is 7. If you got those all right, you can practice giving yourself a star. All right, down below it says, Jeff had 6 marbles. He gave 3 to Phil. How many did he have left? So gave is our clue. If someone's giving something away, it's going away, which means you are subtracting. So do your minus sign on that first line next to the thought. What is the information we know? Which numbers do we know? We know 6 and 3. Good. The next part is, what is our subtraction sentence going to be? So we know he had 6 marbles and he's giving some away. So we're subtracting 3 of them, which means he has how many left? So 6 minus 3 equals blank. Whoops, that's my box. And at the bottom, so if you have 6 and you take away 3, 1, 2, 3, how many do you have left? 3. So we'd say he had, make sure you have a complete sentence, 3 marbles. Whoa, sorry, it's hard to type. It's hard to write on here. Marbles left. Make sure you have that period at the end of your sentence. And you are done. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.